Hello, this is Dr. Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. I would like to talk about modern computer science education that's needed for our modern days. And basically, there are a lot of concern that programmer will be replaced by AI, the chat GPTs, and a lot of people start to fear about what we should prepare ourselves in order to be able to cope with the modern situation in the computer science world. And what I want to say is that to have the AI to completely replace the human being still not going to be possible. I believe that there are still a lot of job, maybe new one, and then you need to try to explore. And computer science still a long way to go until the AI can be replace a lot of jobs. Okay, anyway, in the high school, we suggest to pick up the programming skill. Programming skill and the computer knowledge is the basics that you cannot do without in the modern day. And a qualified programmer, I would believe that at least he needs to know Python, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, any of the four basic language. We need to have the four language ready so students can switch language quickly. And also the data structure and algorithm, these are basic programming skills and some computer organization knowledge. This, I believe, should be done in high school now, because if you go to college and start to learn your CS, I would say it actually is a little bit late. It will be a little late. So some access to programming will be necessary. And I suggest that students finish Algebra 1, knowing what is function and equation, can start to learn some programming. Second, you need to try to finish the college engineering math. Not every single student in computer science finish all of these, but it is suggested to finish all of these if you want to do well in the computer science world. And some computer science students do not take the differential equation or some other courses that actually limit their capability later when they develop their own system. But here we suggest that after the picking up the programming skills, second part I would suggest students to pick up is the college engineering math. And then college engineering math has two parts. One part is discrete math. You need to know about discrete math, probability, and statistics. The other part is continuous math. You need to finish calculus, BC, multiple variable calculus, differential equation, linear algebra, and the principal component analysis. These are the basics. If you have more time and you want to continue for a real analysis, complex analysis, abstract algebra, that's okay. That's more advanced math will also help. But here we are talking about the fundamental engineering math. And same thing, these maths can be taken in the AP course in high school, or you can even take the dual enrollment in the community college to actually earn this early. Some students say, in the college, I may need to take them again. Well, that's true, but actually you don't have that much courses and time in college to cover all of the different part in this engineering math. So I still suggest that in high school, if possible, you try to learn more AP courses and also take some dual enrollment course in the high school. Then next one, after you move up to the college, they will teach you some basic computer science. If you are a computer science major. In addition to that, I would actually suggest to focus on the intelligence system. Based on your college engineering math knowledge, you pick up optimization theory, random process, and then start to look at the data science, machine learning, and deep learning. These are the core courses for the intelligence system. And nowadays, AI is so important. So this one, I would say, after the college math, this one is very important. And after that, you pick up AI course and then go into different individual field, including natural language processing, expert system, sentimental analysis, computer vision, and autonomous robots. Okay, and then you may also consider to take the core computer science course. These courses are necessary because if you are going to study in master level, you will need to know about these courses before you can be admitted. So at the college level, we suggest operation system, computer architecture, programming language and compiler, database, networking, and distributed system, and the embedded system. These are core courses that usually require if you are trying to apply for the master in computer science. They will usually require these required course before you can be admitted. So these are the core courses. If you are in college CS major, we actually strongly suggest you take these courses. And then in addition to that, computer science is not enough. So you need to also have some domain knowledge. So this one is optional for computer science major, but good to have. That's core electrical engineering to deal with some signal. So signal and the system, digital signal processing, communication theory, control and feedback system, computer vision, or robotics. These are some courses that in electrical engineering discipline, but may help your computer science. And then some student target for business, then he can take a master in business or a college dual degree in business administration, including the finance, accounting, management, legal issues, operation, research, economy, data analytics, and the marketing. So these are some courses that will help you to gain domain knowledge. And EE and business administration are domain knowledge. They are optional, but will help students to build up their own strengths when they try to find some job. Okay, thank you. Today is the talk about what is the flow of the modern days computer science education that I suggest. Thank you. Bye now.